Hello, Creality K2 Plus owners and potential future K2 Plus owners. I'm sitting next to the Creality K2 Plus, and I'm here to show you something really cool. Do you remember in the past what it was like if your print bed was crooked? I'm going to show you how the Creality K2 Plus can automatically fix itself when the bed is crooked. Let's check it out. Most 3D printers, when idle, have a bed that's locked in place. The K2 Plus is not one of them. Watch what happens when I put pressure on one side of the K2 Plus bed. Did you see that? The whole bed is crooked. What a disaster. Here's a closer look at what I did. On printers of the past, this would be an absolute disaster. However, watch what happens when I home the K2 Plus. Pretty flippin' cool.